Okay, so the UI is pretty simple, but basically you just add a new company. Let's do like one of my clients' companies, and I'll put my phone number. And then let's just do like a 3 mile radius around Katy. And then we create. Yeah, so now it'll parse through the site and then it'll basically pull all the information about the site, like the services you offer, all the images, so we could reuse it on the service pages. And then it'll know about your certifications, reviews, and everything that your site currently has. So this will take a couple of seconds.
Just build off ChatGPT or OpenAI.
Yeah.
There-
Okay, so now I'll parse through all the sites and then basically go to your Webflow dashboard. You go to site settings, apps and integration, scroll down and generate the API key. So we could go there, site settings. What did it say here? Apps and integrations. And then here we just generate API token. And then we need to give it permission. So CMS read and write, pages read and write, sites read and write. So CMS read and write, pages read and write, and sites read and write. And then you generate a token. And then you copy this. And then you paste it in here. And then you get your site ID. So we can hide this. And then that should be under general. If you scroll down, this is site ID. And then we press connect.
This is fucking nice, Norman. This is
Yeah.
pretty fucking.
So from the website that we had, like pull NV designs. So essentially it pulled all the services that we offer, like, custom pools, remodeling, hardscape, pool construction, stuff like that. And deck installation. So anything that you want to add, if you have a service that's missing, you could go ahead and add it. If you don't want some of the things, like for example, like pool project financing, we could go ahead and delete it. So let's just keep it simple. Let's just do custom. Let's just do pool remodeling. So I'll delete the rest. Delete these. This. And then now we'll need to attach the photos we want to use on service pages. So all of these are parsed directly from the site, like all these images.
This creates a new page or what?
What's up?
This creates a new page or what?
Yeah. Yeah.
But
So,
not on Pool. This creates a new page on your Norman studying site template.
yeah. I'm just using, for example, like let's say I have access to my client's page, it'll post it on their page.
Got it.
But right now it'll post it to my site. And then let's
So how does this add the schema scripts to the existing page?
So it doesn't add it to the existing page. It'll only be for like new pages that our software creates. Yeah. So then we confirm selection. So we have we display 3 images per service page. So then once we're ready, we could just do confirm and generate keywords. And then now we're generating all the keywords. So basically we're searching for all those cities, neighborhoods, counties within this radius that we have.
This will make the schema script also, right, for that page, right?
Yeah. So now we're generating templates. So we can review our template before we actually publish. So this was the page that was generated. And then if you want to modify it, you could go ahead and like modify whatever you want. Basically these tags like city and state, it'll be pre-populated for every single city and state. And then the schema script is embedded into this. So you don't have to do anything with that. And then all these buttons link to the contact us page.
This will make like for every city, small city within. So let's say I don't know Houston that well, but let's say Austin, for example, right? We run it for a 25-mile radius around downtown Austin. It's gonna
Yeah.
do like what? West six, East six, also like they're like he's gonna categorize it to that. Like how granular does it go?
It's super granular. Like you could, for example, if I do around Katy, it gets the neighborhoods around Katy too. Like Avalon at Pine Mill, sometimes it'll get that. Like it's a big neighborhood of, I don't know, a couple hundred people, but we'll get that as well. So if a lead is searching for pool installation near me, and then they know Google knows what neighborhood you're living in, like it'll start ranking for that keyword. Or like
So
for
what
example,
about
well, what's your neighborhood in Cyprus? It's like
I don't know.
yeah, it'll probably rank for that keyword as well. Like we not only target cities, but we also target like the neighborhoods as well. Because like
question,
whenever,
question on the body paragraphs, it won't be repetitive because doesn't Google penalize if you get too many pages with the same information or similar information?
usually like it's not a big problem. Um, because it's like a service page, right? It's like not many people are competing for the same ranking on that page, especially if you're targeting the neighborhoods. Like Google doesn't really care because everybody's trying to target Houston.
Yeah,
But for like smaller neighborhoods, nobody really cares. And like nobody in the contractor space has good SEO setup anyways. Like
yeah.
nobody's using a software to make their blog posts or using a software to make their service pages. Like everybody just tries to target the big cities.
So then for the start your project today, where does that button link? How do you link the button?
This is from the contact us page, wherever
Well,
the
join our status. Oh, so these are existing buttons from.
yeah.
Okay,
So whenever we pre-fill the website, like these buttons go to the contact us page.
got it.
Yeah. Let me just go back here.
Can I
So,
can I we're done right now?
so if it's ready, we could approve. And before we do that, you have to go over to Webflow. So what you're asking before. So basically, I need to add a step in the onboarding flow for Webflow specifically. But if you open your site, like you're mentioning like the rich text. So if you
Not really rich, yeah, the rich text also, but more so the code embed, right? Because if it's HTML, it would be code embed. Rich text, well, I guess HTML rich text would work also, right? But just
yeah, so basically what you do is like I already this is from my other tests, but we
yeah,
just created this template and it's like empty. So we need to embed it with the rich text. So what you do is just type in rich text. I mean, granted, it's not gonna have any headers. So you need to replace it with a header.
yeah,
But after that, you just type in rich text, you put it in here, and then go to settings, edit rich text, or sorry, you press this button and then you do content, and then you publish.
right.
Yeah, so after that gets done, like you're basically ready. And then here
Can you
you press approve all templates, and then it'll start generating for like Firethorn, Texas, Katy, Texas, Pine Oak Village, Seven Meadows, because we had like a 3 mile radius. And then for all of the different services you offer. So before, I think we had like 10. So this would generate for like hardscaping, deck insulation, uh, whatever other stuff we had times 4. And usually we
yeah,
do like a 50-mile radius. So this is going to be like a lot more.
can you show us the pictures in the workflow now?
Yeah. If this loads. Site settings. Actually, I need to open my site.
It just goes into pages, right? Or it would just do the template, like templates.
You just need to go to CMS.
Oh, so they make CMS pages. All right, all right,
Yeah.
all right. Got it.
So here, this one got published. So as you can see, this is the content. And then this is the schema that's automatically populated in the HTML. So for example, like the area service, Katy, Texas, we have the coordinates. So this will rank for like the near me searches because Google knows where you live. And this is
Yeah,
the exact coordinate of Katy, Texas.
It's
And
fucking
then
nice.
our service geo radius is 3 miles. We have a description, the offers. We have the contact us, phone numbers, everything. And then if you go to the actual page, see here. Yeah, so usually you'll add like a header and then you'll add the footer. And then this is the page that's generated.
And yeah, so this is just one CMS collection that you just make one template for it, stylize that with the one template, and then everything else is populated.
Yeah. But the HTML is automatically styled. So if I
Yeah. But you can add like the footers and then the nav bar and the footer and everything into the template.
yeah. So like it's all optimized for mobile as well.
I,
And then these images are stored in our backend. So even if they delete the images, we'll still have these images.
the images are automatically uploaded to Lead Oracle or to Webflow's uh,
It's
database.
it's automated to our database.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then
Can I use this for done right now?
we don't post it like immediately. We only post it like 3 times so we don't get penalized by Google. Like 3 times to 5 times a day. So slowly create these service pages rather than like all at once. So like in the meantime, like we've created, I think I showed you the KD, and then the software created the Firethorn, pin oak. Yeah, this is Firethorns. And then go back. We had the pin oak. Yeah, but the schema, this is for the other one, pin oak. Oh. So like whenever you inspect the element, uh,
Yeah.
this is the script. This is the schema script that's good
Yeah.
for ranking. Like Google ranking on SEO is like number one is the, I don't know, H1 tags, right? And then the alt text on images and then the actual content. But then another thing is like the schema script. So actually ranking or actually telling Google that this is pool remodeling in Pin Oak Village, Texas. So this is automatically injected with the rich text. And yeah.